Hey guys, here I am again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, video number 999, and this time we're demonstrating an 8-track radio out of a 75 Cadillac Sedan DeVille. This comes from Tony in Morristown, Arizona, which is pretty close to me geographically, so he'll be coming to pick this one up in person. I don't have to worry about packing it. And so Tony's requested a modern internal conversion with the Bluetooth and USB functions as well, so we're going to make sure everything works before we release it to the customer. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I have it set to AM, to the one strong station I get in my area, and we'll demonstrate the virtual balance and fader functions during talk radio, so there's no copyright issues to worry about. So let's go ahead and turn it on.
All right.
Okay. We're going to put a little tape over that, put a little something over that dial over this thing here. Kind of.
You are obviously quite fit.
Okay, there's our AM.
Well,
and let's
like to think so.
do our virtual balance and fader
I'm
functions.
sure your clients like to think so
virtual
too.
front rear fader.
To imagine and not a shake.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we're adjusting the front rear speaker balance all the way right. I'm sorry, all the way front, all the way rear,
Do you work out
front,
independently
rear.
or
Okay, I'm gonna
basically
center 'em.
once you're finished with the day, you've really done it?
Fader
set. Okay, left right balance.
No, I have a regular fitness.
Balance adjust.
Okay,
Didn't have enough
all the
gym
way
and we
left,
trained together.
all the way right.
Every day?
Say something quickly.
4 days a week.
All the way right,
And how long does that
all the way
take?
left. And okay,
About
we'll
40
center
minutes.
those. Let this
And
time
what
out.
do you do primarily?
Balance set.
Okay,
We
let's
lift
make sure the
heavy stuff.
Bluetooth goes into pairing mode.
Now, is it fair to say?
Bluetooth ready to pair.
Okay, so you heard
in this
that.
regard,
Let's
but I
make
have a
sure
lot
it
of
plays
interest in
my
what you do.
USB stick
Is it
here.
fair to say that there's a sort
My
of
radio commercial.
divided outlook on those who are very
Okay, so that works. Okay, let's move over to FM. And I have all 5 station presets set to stations in my area for a quick test.
Old folks. Yes, senior citizens.
No choice but to hear.
Okay, let's try the 8-track.
You're an angel, I'm a lucky. It's a world full of chicks. I love my baby's leader. Whoa, wonder is it true? Get out a one-way ticket to the Hollywood.
Alrighty, pull the eject. And there we go. That takes care of that. And of course, the dial light's working. On this radio, the dial light comes on anytime the radio's turned on because that's the way the dial is designed. You can't see the pointer with the radio turned off. So the dial light comes on with the radio, meaning there won't be a separate dial light wire on this new harness. Oh, and also this customer requested a new harness for greatly increased output power as well. So I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and to reach me for service, you can either visit the website in the description below or just give me a call at 928-533-9666. That's for paying, repair, or conversion customers only. Don't call me asking me which 8-track tapes came out in pink or anything like that. Please try to limit the conversation to business. So thanks so much for watching, listening. Thank you, Tony, for your business in Arizona, and we'll see you guys next time.